Hello everyone, today I will show you how to force restart iPhone 15 iOS 18. And here's how it is done. Before starting, make sure you know where the buttons are located on your iPhone. The iPhone 15 has the volume up and volume down buttons on the left side of the device and the side button, also known as the power button, on the right side. Begin by pressing the volume up button briefly, then quickly release it. This is the first step in this sequence and must be done quickly. Next, press the volume down button and release it immediately. This button should also be pressed briefly in a quick sequence following the volume up button. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding it down until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. This may take several seconds, so continue holding even if the screen goes black or if you see any temporary images or text. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button. The Apple logo signals that a forced restart has begun, and the iPhone will go through the restarting process. After releasing the side button, your iPhone will go through the full restart process. You should see the Apple logo for a few moments before the lock screen appears, allowing you to unlock your iPhone and resume use. And that is everything you need to know about how to force restart iPhone 15 in iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.